some dances on the stage, and I think we all are ready for it, for some movements. I would like to first say a few words on Sauparnika Dance Academy. This academy is a unique and premier dance institution located in Kendall Park, New Jersey, dedicated to the education and promotion of Indian dance forms like Bharatanatyam, Mohiniyattam, semi-classical and Bollywood dance forms. The director of the academy is Guru Srimati Malini Nair, an engineer from College of Engineering, Trivandrum. Malini Nair followed her passion of dance and established her Sauparnika Dance Academy in 2008. She has been an active member and supporter of KEEN since its establishment. This academy is a well-sought Indian dance institution in the tri-state area in New York for all cultural events. Today, the academy is going to present us with two wonderful dances. First, we'll have the opening dance. The first item is a classical Bharatanatyam piece dedicated to Lord Ganesha. The item depicts the story of how Ganesha got his elephant head. When goddess Parvati was taking a shower, Lord Shiva came to see his wife. The Dwarapalagan, a boy who was very dear to Parvati, stopped him from entering the house. But Shiva got mad and chopped the boy's head. Furious, Parvati asked Shiva to get out of her house. As a remedy, Shiva chopped an elephant's head and put it on the boy and gave life to him. He emerged as Lord Ganesha, the elephant-faced god. This composition of Sri Bala Murali Krishna is presented by Malini Nair and her students, Sunita Naveen, Anvi Nair and Prasiddha Rajan.
सकलगणाधिपमालय मामनिशम् मनसे विनायक भक्तजनानि मोक्षवरजन्मभूलिसुभ्रे सकलगणाधिपमालय मामनिशम् मनसे विनायक भक्तजनानि मोक्षवरजन्मभूलिसुभ्रे सकलगणाधिपमालय मामनिशम् मनसे विनायक भक्तजनानि मोक्षवरजन्मभूलिसुभ्रे सकलगणाधिपमालय मामनिशम् मनसे विनायक